Ebusia form me akwa by the back pen actually so na me no ka say die Tracy Boache ababonten wa be kasa wa be kansem bebre nsem wa be kasa ne de say mu edo yie pa na ansa na edi video no ebe kyerɛw na wati nsem o kan ye no ne nam so Tracy Boache ebe kasa ni na no ene say ye 5-pack aye Film Producers Association of Ghana ene o model letter bi aba abonten na krata we o model ba abonten ni na no efa eye beef na say pagya ne mu eye Mesbel ene Tracy Boache ntem na enumu na so mode kata na ba according to them no ensem bia Tracy Boache keka te se sebio o se ne nyanko ba se bon ene nsem bia keka ka ho no ene nam so omode letter no aba abonte ne letter no omode ba ne de ne tenten ene ne tete omni na ne se Tracy Boache ya suspend no indefinitely a na che se enye nne ene ochine ene o san abetwase ne until so mo ankasa omode omonsa beka se bia ye yiba na efri no so no enye ade ye ma no kwan me ne betwase ne anaso obo produce eye se ne twebem na no na Tracy Boache ba abonte obekasa no chirem say in fact eye 5-pack for ntimo ase because on what way mu production and some association no onimu bi ekuo na matna even mo WhatsApp platform kra na mo the information na to so edema actors any producers no mo fa no kan ho ye oye na there you don't even congratulate him and your boy penini din Mr. James wa wo ho no wo man bibia in fact owo ye kra no mo bia ntwe phone en friend no en kan kire ne say bia congratulations into ye den and na what is asama bentino wo sorry ya putuprum say wo ba no abema no eye suspension on the suspension enya ade a or tie ne net na watie no china nti Tracy Boache baya ene ne nsama o ka kire eye 5-pack no ada for video no ka asam we na wo mu no enu nie
hey se so de ya asemo just a wa asema my producing movie for 8 good years. Film Producers Association of Ghana. One farming to my platform so da. Me wo ye obi antwe phone. Emma me congratulations that not even talk of say mo besra me. Me tuwe me come ho. Me a independent producer. Obi enim say me a independent producer. Me first come out producer. Makwa abruchire ako premiere me movie me ya ade panimu bie ni ho wo Film Producing Association of friend me e kan congratulations then the most mama me de letter na me mu ni me Film Producing Association of Ghana mu ni me ade we smo pese mo fa ho na mo de je tre adwuma ne ba fom a obi a ba mu buye enka kora oba me de me se ma be mu me de me produce movie e de a hye nyina ye ne munyam even though mo yi mafiri mu me nka mo ho obusa me 5-pack mpanifo 2 din pa minim mo platform mo koto ba yi executives po man to be mo se me nya member sebe me kwa awo so na mama enke ho na mo be salai abeye ayi kese abebonsa aka se me producer na me busa mo se me tiase a me wo ya mpo no ma frɛ me da Film Producers Association of Ghana na we kura de enke fa mo ho ben me ka mo ho Sam Dakus ne other producers to me frɛ me Tracy why ya de koso na me producer mo frɛ me Director James Aboaje when was the last time akasa me ho semba ya wo kwotro letter dia begu manim ase daita sesia na sebi adwuma na gu na e wose ye nyina ye tenase ana mo tenase because me nka mo ho me de mo fa me nka mo ho da wo mo WhatsApp platform kra mo fa me nto so da mo se me nka ho chese me kra me wo se motimi ade we aba abonten tu se mo de gu manim ase enye hwe nyankopon hata so on ne di akra asem on ne di pani asem me de masemu nyina menyame mu gumani mase mati mani mu fifire o ekoya me fa so me nyeska me di produce movie mu nim ho hye mo me wo kwan bia so me nka mo ho mo platform me hu ye nka me ye producer nka me hu ye kura no ka mo beba be hwe me na bibi me ka mo ho suspension be adwuma no agu yen na ye try see adi adwuma ne beba no Mu say ba kill your spirit. But you can't kill my spirit. Which suspension are you giving me? Asemba ya man kase ya who say begana for no mu bidi o man no gu me so ama ba bonten abe pacha na o say enye ye nyano Any akroya be say the so the letter ba. President, what's now for over years maintain one kanda. Maintain platform holder. The next thing you did was to call me and tell me, oh, mom, me suspicious, oh, suspending me. President, also we a fair president. Father for all. Me pacho wa nye wajume yi, sa kobra. Director James Abuaje, wa nye wajume yi. You and I know say wa nye wajume yi. What frame it da? What frame it da? Director, me come home. Me pacho me come home. Me kan ho anka beka say eh platform ne wo so Tracy ekuo no mu bi me nka mu kuo ne ho me nka ho that ade na pesa ofa asem we so ana wo so obeyi yesei ade nti na wo yesa ade na wo yesa director we president director James Abuaje. When was the last time ame okasa me ho? When was the last time I would the phone efrem me mpoda? The last time I met you on Kayenra, offer me catching some woman mammy suspension. Now, me Yokoba. Director James Abuaje, we are president, Emma 5-pack Numubi. And now we are president, man, the whole film industry. Because media mean come on. Me patro me movies 14 and my police for the past 8 years. Me top 5-pack platform be so da. I say when me say me smiling on my because keke. Now me come home. Me money me. Me pache wo me dwune me ho me nena mo nchenchen na ma produce mu movie me pache me nje ni monyam no emma wo ho na I am not under you. I have never been under you. Mo fa me nka mo ho da. Director James Abuaje me nka mo ho 5-pack president de me hu ye nka obi ya de ya ne nka wabona baso wo ye president sebi oba se obeye industry ni yi na afi ade Minya ade ye ema won frame da. Me problem no. Director James Abuaje won fa mentor platform so that unka mention wo yam se wo bada as a president. Enti de wo ye fans na wo pa na edin ben na wo pementi ase. Ade na pese ye si entuma gufin wo abonte. Wo pese obi hu se industry no producing side no odoni wa na. Wo pese obi ate yenka. De wo ye you are making it obvious. Akra won farming two group muda. Min come ho. Adent na wo ko tro letter aba bonte se wo suspicious. I mean, the cry wo ye. For what? Me pese wo ba bonte na be check na for say for what? Am I part of you? I am not part of you. One friend me cramp on wish me congratulations that.
I just saw a post from Tracy Buachi sending a strong warning to me that I shouldn't call her to advise her because I don't feed her. Yeah? Before, say me no me no. Yako endorse NDC 2016 no. Na minimum. Won so unime. Before, say me no me no. Yako ye campaign ama NDC no. I knew you. You also knew me very well. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 good years. Me dani Jimmy for Emma wo enfie 9. Na me mpese mekasa. Senye madani Jimmy for enfie 9 no. Ma menna ne sa Jimmy for ne sa amfa nkwa wieye. Me mfa mi phone mfre wo da. Se me advice wo. Men fa mi phone so nya saade ni bida mesrew na mi phone na me de be sa call ne kra no na me de mi phone we frɛ wa wo phone ne kra no virus kra nsi so na woni phone na me use ma me de me fare wo ya me pa chew enti na nkrofo mo frɛfrɛ me keka nsɛm no me ye video beto abonte se me srɛ wo mo on social media handle. Say bibi wo ho they should send it to you because me pesa na bi nya men kan ye de ahoma be hye me kon se maka mame untimi warning Tracy, I'm telling you many cheo usika no yi a waye nyina no fato nche me many cheo lesson abrabo teach me. You have no idea. Benin in a me, my bravo, and say, Mesrao table na wo shake no ne nan baako abu so onima me twe wadwene si so table na wo pese wo shake no table no ne nan baako already abu. Yeah, don't push me. Tracy, don't push me. When was the last time I me found my phone efreo? When was the last time I me found my phone frewo? Mame, mesrao. Me dinya me din power chew. Senya mamwa me hoche mi bomu no. Ya, mami she mi bomu sa. Me pachao. Me mame me yadie bi ma obi mbeka se enye gay we no se wafa nyame no. Nye gay we no se wasesa no. I have swallowed disgrace. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 bad years in I have decided not to open my mouth and say anything. Menya Jimmy Fo. Tracy, you know me very well. Ena won kwana weni eden uni me. Miss minimo. Misrao. Memfre wo da. Sa me advice o na uni mame. Hey, me mabobra. Me mabobra. Metimi otufo. Tracy Boakye, please. Please. Nya wo pesa woni me ye no mesrao. You can't warn me. Me nya wo bakwaku. You can't warn me. Me nya wo maid. Senya wo ka se me feed you no. Wo so wo feed me so please. Sheye no one cross boundaries. Sheye and ya one cross boundaries.
Ebusia form mama kwaba edeba penagye so na enrada de na wodi wani ekopie mu ewo ne ekoso ewo social media de na eche say eni airtime ye papa and am say eye movie producer and also actress che your friend eye Tracy Boakye obaye no di video bi eba tutu ho na nsem bi eye musician and down also ye esan presenter eye Miss Bell ani okokan ye ewo mu na Gucci show bi so na enrada na nya asem ketwa na issue we anka say sha say eba no penagye ni di nsem nechi yie pa na ni na nim se nsem bi sa no ya na eba na akwa ete se ba ko ye den ya ba ko beba abonten aba ka say bi oye sorry ana say bi no ye no wanye ni ye ntin Ghana for enfan chene me no ka say de Tracy Boakye aba abonten a in a series of posts and I say in a live video